Hey loves, my name is Brianna K. Welcome to today's Clean With Me video where I'm going to be using all Dollar Tree cleaning supplies. I don't know about you, but every time I go into Dollar Tree, I always wonder if the cleaning supplies are worth the dollar, if they're a really good deal. So I'm gonna be cleaning with them today, and I'll be sure to let you know the ones that I think are absolutely worth the dollar and the ones that I wouldn't even waste a buck on. So let's get going, and I hope you get tons of cleaning motivation in today's video. And this does say to wear a mask and gloves, but I am pregnant, 5 months pregnant right now, so I'm definitely making sure my mask is on before I test out this heavy duty oven cleaner. Okay, I'm honestly, even with the mask on, like the fumes are still pretty bad, so I'm gonna get out of here fast, but whew, be careful, mask up before you use that. So even though the smell was really, really hard to handle, like make sure you wear a mask and stuff, even if you are not pregnant, I do think it did a really good job because there was a lot caked onto the bottom here and the majority of it is gone. And I have tried since we've moved into the house to get some of those black stains out and I just cannot, but I feel like it really did leave the oven very shiny and sparkly, like even the door and stuff. And I did find I have one of my glass bottles. I got these on Amazon, not Dollar Tree. But in order to properly use this spick and span, I am gonna add it to the glass bottle. I'm pretty sure though that they sell plastic spray bottles at Dollar Tree. So I would recommend, if you're going to get some of these products, maybe getting some of those spray bottles so that they're a bit easier to use.
Give out your beautiful.
Okay, so I have the spick and span in this glass spray bottle. It is citrus scented and it smells extra lemony and clean. And it says, and I always read labels, especially on new cleaning products, and make sure you always read labels on disinfectants because a lot of people don't realize it will clean if you wipe it up right away, but it won't actually disinfect unless you leave it setting on the surface for however long the directions say. So these say to truly disinfect 10 minutes and it's undiluted. So that's why you should not be adding water to this. It's not like Lysol. I know if you buy Lysol in a bottle like this, you can dilute it and it will still disinfect. This will not work if you dilute it. So make sure you apply it with no water added to it. And after 10 minutes, wipe with a cloth, sponge, or mop, I guess if you're disinfecting your floors. So we're gonna disinfect all of the counters in here.
Beautiful.
Okay, while that disinfectant is working back here, I'm gonna use this orange furniture polish to polish this wood table in here. It says to shake well, spray, and then wipe immediately. And I'm gonna use a microfiber cloth I got from the Dollar Tree too.
The day that you came.
I feel like this does make it really shiny and it smells really good. It's an orange scent and I definitely smell the orange oil.
It's just a day. Now you're all grown up, tall as a tree, strong as a wolf pup, faster than me. So if you're worried that a chance will pass you by, and if you're standing on the sidelines wondering why, what's the worst thing that could happen if you tried? Well, you might fall.
So I found these little Dollar Tree dusters. They look just like the Swiffer dusters. So I'm gonna use this with the furniture polish for dusting my mantles and shelves here in our family room.
I see you're struggling with the troubles of youth, the hearts that you're juggling, this position of truth.
So I definitely feel like these are comparable to a Swiffer duster. I definitely picked up a ton of dirt in there, and it actually came with 2 of these white heads. So for $1, I feel like that's a really good deal.
On the sidelines, wondering why. What's the worst thing that could happen if you try?
And to make this a true Dollar Tree clean with me, I did get all of the brushes and sponges from Dollar Tree as well. Keeping my mask on for this, but in the bathroom, I'm gonna use this glass cleaner on the mirror.
Learn to fly.
I feel like this definitely works like any other glass cleaner. And next I'm gonna use, it's this Super Oxygen bathroom cleaner. It says it comes on blue and turns to white when it's clean.
If you worry that a chance will pass you by.
And then I'm also gonna use this is the Fabuloso, I guess it's like a surface cleaner. It says you mix it with water, use on a sponge and clean. So I'm gonna use that for like the surface areas in the bathroom.
If you try, whoa, what's the worst thing that could happen if you?
And then this is the Works Classic Clean Toilet Bowl Cleaner. So I'm gonna use this for the toilet today. Not my Clorox wand, I feel like so funny.
You might learn to fly. I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your mobiles, but you did not seem to mind at all. We took our bikes to the lake after school each day and skipped many stones from the beach. And one thing you said was, listen, I will have your back always. And now we're grown up, I don't really.
Okay, and just because this stuff does smell so strong, I'm cleaning in this bathroom with my mask on again, just because it's close quarters too. Trying to keep baby safe.
But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. It came very sudden the day when we moved away from what had been our home since forever. I was scared then, so scared that I would lose you. But you called me up right after I touched the ground. You wanted to hear that I got there all safe and sound.
so soft now that the bathroom's clean. There are two products I would say I like for the dollar, and there's two that I would say, eh. The one that I liked a lot was this foaming cleaner. I liked how it turned from blue to white, so they knew that it was done being cleaned. And I feel like it really did leave the sink nice and sparkling and got rid of some of the buildup that was in the sink. The glass cleaner I also thought did its job on the mirror. There was no streaks, so totally worth a buck. These two I am not super fans of. I just prefer my Clorox wand. I think it's nicer to clean with, and then going over with the Clorox wipe, the actual toilet, I just feel like that makes it a little bit cleaner. And the brush, I don't know if you noticed, it just like kept falling. It didn't really come with any sort of a brush holder at the Dollar Tree, so not a fan. And then same thing with Fabuloso. I like, if I'm gonna use a multi-surface cleaner, I like it to be in more of a spray format if possible. I just think that's easier to clean with. And I kind of had to do double the work of using the sponge with the water on it and then using the microfiber cloth. I definitely feel like it's cleaned really well, but I would rather just use a microfiber and a spray cleaner. And now to do like the hard floors in here, I got this mop. So this actually cost $3 because you had to buy the long handle was $1, then the actual like mop head was $1, and then this like removable mop pad was another $1. But I'm gonna use the Fabuloso cleaner mixed with water on the floors in here, and then I'm gonna do my kitchen floors after this.
You lifted me higher, my heartbeat, taking the fight out in me. You make me strong, I'll carry on with the fire that's left in me. You lifted me higher, my heartbeat, taking the fight out in me. You're taking me higher, 'cause you are the fire.
Okay, so verdict. This definitely looks dirty. It smells clean in here. That's the one thing I noticed about all of these Dollar Tree cleaning products. I feel like the scent is very strong. It's a lot more pungent than a lot of the natural cleaners that I clean with. So even Ad, when he came upstairs, he's like, whoa, it smells like cleaning products. Like these smell okay, but they are just harsher to your nose. Okay. Big Mama is sweating over here. That was all day cleaning. The entire house is now clean. It all smells really clean. The kids, even when they woke up from their naps, were like, ooh, it smells so clean in here. So all the products, like I mentioned, definitely make your house smell very clean if you use them. But I love the fact that I found a couple of products that I think are a total win for a buck. That like Swiffer kind of knockoff was definitely a win, and I would say the glass cleaner 100%, like that is so worth $1, works great, especially on like the stainless steel that I cleaned in here. But if you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up. If you're new, I would love to have you subscribe so you can join for more cleaning motivation and homemaking videos, and I've got a bunch of good videos coming up for you over these next few months, so make sure your notifications are turned on, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.